Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm AnbuZ, and today we're diving into the world of sorting algorithms. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Sorting algorithms are fundamental in computer science and are used everywhere from databases to everyday applications. Let's get started. What are sorting algorithms? Well, think of them as the instructions we give to a computer to arrange data in a specific order. Just like sorting a deck of cards, we have various methods to sort data in computers. Sorting is essential because it helps us find information faster and enables efficient data processing in many applications. Imagine searching for a contact in your phone or finding products on an online store without sorting. Chaos, right? Sorting algorithms come in different flavors, but they all follow a similar principle. They compare elements and rearrange them based on some criteria. There are many sorting algorithms out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. In this series, we'll explore some of the most common ones and dive into how they work. In this series, we'll cover each sorting algorithm in detail, complete with step-by-step explanations and visualizations. By the end of this journey, you'll have a solid understanding of how these algorithms work and when to use them. That wraps up our introduction to sorting algorithms. If you're ready to embark on this sorting adventure with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for our next video on AnbuZ Sort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. For more exciting tech tutorials and algorithm deep dives, stay connected with our channel. See you soon!